Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a MapReduce program using Java, Hadoop and Eclipse. To demonstrate MapReduce, we are going to take a frictional example of election polls counting of a fictional town called Utopia, and then we have five candidates who are standing for presidency, and we are going to discuss how many votes each one gets. Here I am using Cloudera virtual machine provided by USA. Now I have added 3 jar files over here. This can be done by right clicking on project name, click on properties and click on Java build path and add external jar. As you can see, I have already added it. Next we'll write code in our vote count application. As you can see, I've already added it. Vote count mapper and vote count reducer file, reducer class. First, let us go to the vote count mapper class. What vote count mapper does is it goes to the input files and generates key value there. For example, if a person has voted for suppose candidate A, then it will run this loop and write candidate A, 1. Now this will be the input to our reducer class. For this, we have a class of vote count mapper which extends mapper, and in this class of map we see that first what it will do is it will split the if more than one word, what it will do is if more than one word is present, and it will split. What it will do is it will write the word that is our candidate, 1 in front of it, and what basically it does is it generates key value pair. So if we go through the program, we'll see there is a class called reduce, and this is where we are initializing the vote count as 0, and here you can see the for loop where we are counting votes for each candidate, and in output we write key for candidate name and the vote count in front of it. So this is vote count application class. This is a driver class of our program. So here we have jobs to set output key class, output value class, we set mapper class, we set reducer class, we set input format, we set output format, and then simply write the output. And the next thing is we submit the job. Now that our application is ready, what we'll do is we will export this application into a jar file. For this, we'll click on the project name, click on export. Export it as a runnable jar file, and then we give a name to a jar file, Utopia vote count, and then save it to a location. Since I've already saved it, I'm going to cancel it. As you can see, my jar file is ready over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run a MapReduce job through U. So what we'll do is we'll create an input file in the U, name Utopia count input. Now we are for this example we are taking the count of vote of booth 1 and booth 2. For example, booth 1 has this many entries of votes in it. Next we go to the terminal, we use Hadoop jar command. This is our jar file we are executing. we are saving it we are using word count input as an input, and we are saving the output in word count output. Now after running this after running the statement, the word count output file will be created. As I have already run that command, we can see the word count output output folder being created. This shows that the job was succeeded, and this is our output. As I click on job browser in the view, I can see my job has been successfully completed over here. As you can see, we have successfully implemented a Java MapReduce application. Thank you.